apps appears show you.
How to scan photos or documents on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to easily scan papers or a photo using your iPhone. First of all, you have to open the Notes app. And now we need to create a new note. So tap on this new note icon. And now tap on this camera icon. And here tap on Scan Documents. And I want to enable manual. So here's I'm tapping on auto to enable manual. And now I'm going to scan my photo. After scanning the photo or document, just tap on keep scan. And here you will get all of your scanned photos. Tap here. And now you can slide to the left side or right side, and if you want to delete any scan, just tap on this delete button. That's how you will be able to delete any scan. Then tap on done and tap on save. And here you can see I've successfully scanned my document using my iPhone. And now you can share this scanned file by tapping on this little arrow icon and tap on share. And here you will get different options to share the document. And if you want to print the document, just tap on print. And if you want to save the scanned file in your files app, just tap on save to files and select a folder to save and tap on save. And that's it. This is how we can scan photos or papers on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.